What's up YouTube, we're back and today we're going to be doing a self-cut. So I have my self-cut system over here. It's just basically 3 Walmart mirrors connected with some door hinges, as you can see right here. And then some LED strips, which I got off Amazon, just put them around. And yeah, that's my self-cut, so let's get to it. So these are the clippers I'll be using today. I have the Babyliss, Zero Gap, my shaver, the wall retro to create the ball guideline, and then the Oster fast feeds, which I'm going to be doing most of the fading with, and then the wall magic clip. Alright, before we start, I'm going to quickly explain what I'm going to be getting. So recently I've been getting like a brush fade and letting my mohawk grow, but it's got to go. It's not doing it no more. So we're going to be doing like a drop fade. We're going to start off like on the C cup. We're going to lead the C cup. So we're going to start off like right here and drop it. And we're going to cut the top a little bit like into a comb over type. And yeah, let's go. So I want to show you guys how to get rid of that bald guideline, and when you're doing the shaving part, just leave like a ½ inch of space so you can come through with your trimmers, and your trimmers must be zero gap to get rid of this line. So you just flick out that line. You don't want to go all the way up or else you're just going to create another hard guideline, but you just want to flick out that bottom line. So right here I'm using the number 3 guard so I can fade in the bottom hairs to the long hairs I have on top, since I can't really clip or over comb it. It's a little bit more difficult. This way it's easier to fade into the long hairs you have on top. a little pushback right here, which I'm just gonna let grow out, so I'm not really gonna touch that. Alright YouTube, so that was the haircut. That was the self-cut. I liked it. Ooh. But yeah, I just got some blonde back here that has to go. I might keep the top blonde, but the blonde back here has to go. It's not staying. And other than that, if you guys liked the video, please give it a like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, PC YouTube, PC.